The problem with this fan is that it won't spin because of some string caught in it. It looks like I will have to remove the cover to get the string out. This model is a Chung Yuan Electric 9-inch tabletop fan, model number TF810S, but I imagine there's many like it. This cover looks like it just snaps on, but it has 4 screws in the back holding the cover on. The second screw wouldn't fall out, so I let it hang in there after unscrewing it. Once the screws are out, the front cover comes off. The string is wrapped around the blade and the cover, so I cut it with some scissors. There's also string wrapped around the shaft, which I can't get at very easily. So, I'll undo these 2 lower screws. Unscrewing the top screws that go through the brackets will take the fan further apart than is needed. Now the shaft is clear of string, and I'm putting the whole thing back in place. Note, on the bottom, the holes below the screws. Those slot into the bumps in the plastic on the cover. Note that the back plastic cover also has a specific cutout for the wires to go back into. I found it easier to get into place after taking the screws out of the way. I put the screws back in. I tested the fan, then put the cover back on. It has 2 cutouts where the legs go. Final test. And it works again.